Hello everybody, and this is my video on the modern stuff, modern overhaul. So it's got modern weapons, you know, modern avatars. As you can tell, I got my Jordans on with no laces for some reason. I got my cargos on, got my motorcycle helmet. Pretty cold, and now it's broken. Alright, but yeah, I got a sledgehammer, switchblade, and a broken bottle. And this will be what I use first. Bro, man. Wow, the map's nice. Oh, hello. Take them out. Oh, they got different voices as well, lad. This might lucky be one of the most epic. I don't know why I'm not playing this yet. Oh, you are so dead when I see that train coming. So drop your weapon, that's one. Good boy. When I see that train coming, you are so dead. So how's your day been today, bro? Been good? Yeah, I've been alright, thank you. I'm just a bit out today. We'll get through it. Just wait for this train to come over. Are you too? Yeah, I mean, this way ain't gonna be high, but you know. Alright, here we go, goodbye. Oh my god! Wow, that was... Oh my fuck! Shit. You know, I've seen one did that guy. Okay. Slit people's throats. This guy's dripped out. Oh shit, you're dead. You're dead, boy. I'm not coming down there. He's dead. And he is in the wall. Oh, he's dead now, though. There's gonna be a train coming in a minute now. Are you ready? that is mad. That is mean. Where's the little fella that I'm supposed to be fighting? Hello. It's like a bone that was actually good combat. Couldn't really control that shit was for combat anyway. For two-handed combat. I'm the space cowboy. I don't do that. Where's he going? Oh, you know what? You're off limits. What's this epic music for, bro? Oh, sorry. $360. No! Hey, man! Tracking stopped. How are you not on the strip? Oh, they got hurt. Get around me. Hey, you fat punk. Bash on the nose. That's got Hershey's. Oh. I'm doing the ultimate sacrifice. Go. Hope this guy doesn't die. Alright. So yeah, this mod was pretty good. This is the mod I've been wanting for a while to come out. It's never came out for it. It's like modern clothes, modern weapons. So yeah, I rate this personally. Anyway, me personally, I rate this 10 out of 10. This is everything that I wanted, and it has good quality. You know. Oh shit! I tried just going in. Wait. I regret doing this. Stop the train! Stop the train! Stop the train!